that I'm good enough, got my third. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a...
Entonces deja de saltarte las búlgaras.
Bounce when she walk, bounce when she walk, bounce when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk. She shaking ass every.
Alone. Do it broke. Do it tired. Do it scared. Just do it.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की।
Ao som do ataque, ela vem por cima do peru.
I am going to eat your soul and shit it out. Thought you only murdered boys. I go both ways. I thought I was a fool for no one. Baby, I'm a fool for you. You're the queen of the superficial. Hell, I'm tell the truth.
He say that I'm good enough, got my third. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cat. Saying he home but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me cause he...
You look lonely. I can fix that.
When you take the chance to go after your dreams, when you take the risk, sure you may fail, but what if you fly? What if you succeed? What if you do greater than you could?
Oh, hell no. I'm about to tweak in this bitch, bruh. I'm about to start tweaking in this bitch, bruh.
Being a gym rat isn't what people think it is. We don't just go to get jacked or be healthy. There's so much more to it than that. A lot of us go because the pain in the body quiets the pain in the mind. And having something difficult to pursue and chase after gives a good solid sense of a small purpose in life. Like, hey, maybe I'm not worth much in my own head, but I can deadlift a couple 100 pounds. At least there's that. Or maybe the pent-up rage or sorrow is tearing us up inside, so we get to channel all of that into a PR. It's a peaceful life. We wouldn't trade it for anything.
Pueden creer que mi ex me decía, ay, culito de cebolla. Y yo toda ingenua, pensando que era un apodo tierno, como esos apodos que es como mi bomboncito. Hasta que un día le pregunté, oye, ¿por qué culito de cebolla? Y me dice, pues cuando lo ves te dan ganas de llorar. Y yo, ahora la que llora soy yo. Así que si nunca quieres tener ese apodo, haz esto. Vas a hacer 8 repeticiones bien pesadas. Terminas, le quitas el peso y le vas a dar 10 repeticiones. Quitas el peso y le vas a dar 12 repeticiones. Esta técnica se llama drop set y es excelente para aumentar el tamaño de tus pompis. Si tus pompis dan ganas de llorar, esta técnica deberás intentar. Si te gustó, dale amor y ya sabes, ponte fit con outfit.
Yo voy al gimnasio no por mí, no para ser sano. Yo voy al gimnasio para ser un muñeco sexual para ti.
You show the lights that stop me, turn to stars. tell them no. I don't wanna leave my baby alone. I don't wanna.
अरे खुद बनाऊं खुद बिगाड़ूं मेरी जिंदगी मेरे लोचे आई डोंट केयर ब्रो कोई मेरे बारे में क्या सोचे
Hey Adolfo, if I have just dumbbells, how do I train this one?
Just do this.
What about this one?
Do this.
What about this then?
Do this.
What about these?
Do this.
And then what about this?
Do this.
What about this one?
Do this.
And then how do I train this one?
Do this.
And how do I train these?
Do this.
And what about these?
Do this.
Where can I get more tips like these?
Hit the plus sign.
One thing, no. Bitches, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Can we skip to the good part?
I go to a women's only gym. Of course I don't have to worry about someone staring at my ass. I go to a women's only gym. Of course it's leg day. I go to a women's only gym. Of course we got all the necessities. I go to a women's only gym. Of course we got pink weights and barbells. I go to a women's only gym. Of course I don't need a cover.
Listen, I received this abs and glutes machine, and baby, when I tell you it is the truth, let me tell you something. I don't have time to go to the gym. So for those of you who do and you go to the gym faithfully, that's on you. But for those of us who can't, this is going to be your new best friend. As you guys can see, this thing has an actual counter on it and a timer. And baby, let me tell you something. It's going to work those glutes. It's going to work those abs. Pull that stomach all the way in, baby, and feel the burn. Don't walk, run, and get you one.
É o brabo da putaria.
Chillin' on the weekend like usual, watching SpongeBob and Scooby-Dooby-Doo. She took
You need help?
Are you gonna hand me the weight? Wow. 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 Oh, good cow.
First, it's a Saturday night thing. It's just something to kill the boredom, you know? It feels so good you start doing it on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And it's got you.